Hi, my name is Detroit Miracle, and this is a brief life nature message. What and why as it concerns every species in existence. Some species are considered lower than others on the excellent scale for existence. But were we beings made into something solely on some random selection, or in fact, were we truly meant to be exactly what we are and have been? Life has taught us that if there are so many possibilities, then there may also be many transitional states for the spiritual, meaning what's currently an insect on a thought lower scale of excellence may later become a mighty soaring ego. That is something to think about. How can all species live together in peace and harmony through utopia? Well, in order for this to come about, all species must be allowed their full essentials in life. All species must be allowed to live a full, enriched life to the best of their abilities. Most certainly, all species must respect each other's rights of beliefs, practices, and religions. And lastly, all species must not enslave one another for any intent and purpose. This is Detroit Miracle. If y'all enjoyed this video, please leave a like in a like section, a comment in the comment section, and feel free to subscribe to my channel. Peace out.